Again, it's a rich thing.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to this quick announcement on Neural 9 here, where I tell you that the Bible of algorithms and data structures is out there. It's available. You can buy it on Amazon right now. Again, let me emphasize that you don't need to buy it. The algorithms and data structures tutorial series is for free. You can still watch it without buying this book, but if you want to take things seriously, if you want to get into a more structured way, if you want to get into more details, you can buy this book on Amazon here. In order to buy it or in order to get to the Amazon page, you can just go to neural9.com/books. You can find the link in the description down below, and you'll get to this beautiful page here where you can also see the Python Bible, which is my book series on Python. And you can see that the algorithm Bible is up here, and you can either click on the image directly or click on this button down here that says View on Amazon. You can then click on it and you'll get to Amazon. And not only will you get to Amazon, but you'll get to your Amazon, which means to the Amazon page of your country, because I used a hyper URL link here. So when you click on it, you'll get to Amazon UK if you are in UK. You'll get to Amazon.de, so Germany if you're in Austria or Germany. You can get to Netherlands, you can get to India, you can get to Australia. Based on your country, the link will get you to your Amazon in your country. And here you can buy, this is the German page right here because I'm based in Austria. Here you can buy the Kindle version and the paperback version. I'm going to navigate to Amazon.com here. You can see we're already the #1 new release in algorithm programming, which is thanks to you guys that bought this book. You can buy the Kindle version for $4.99 or the paperback version for $9.99, so very affordable. Usually algorithm books, we can just go ahead, type algorithm book. You'll see that they sell for $62, $50, these professional algorithm books. And of course, yes, they have 1,000 pages, but that's exactly the focus of this book, to not have 1,000 pages. This book has 160 pages in the Kindle version. I think something like 130 pages. 136 pages in the paperback version. And because of that, of course, first of all, it's cheaper. You don't have to pay, annoying plugin here, what the fuck. You don't have to pay, can you please go away? Honey, forget it. You don't have to pay like $50 for this book. And also it teaches you all these things in a faster way. So you can see in the description here, the most important skill in computer science. Yeah, it basically is, because you need it for all coding interviews. You need it for cybersecurity, ethical hacking, machine learning, enterprise software engineering, whatever. But it's also one of the hardest and most abstract and most complex fields that everyone complains about. I cannot understand it. I don't know what to do with it. I can't find my way into it, because every professor in university and college is telling you this is the formal definition, this is that. And you're bombarded with knowledge instead of understanding and intuition. In the same way, my tutorial series on YouTube here is focusing on giving you an intuition and giving you a basic understanding of what's happening, instead of bombarding you with some mathematical definitions. Even though we do a lot of mathematics, as you have always, not always, already figured out in the tutorial series, we still do a lot of math, but we do it after the intuition. And most professors just teach the formal definition instead of giving you the basic understanding. So this book tries to do it in a different way. It's intuitive and simple. It's breaking down complex things in a simple way. And we still formally analyze algorithms and deeply understand what's happening behind the scenes, but not in a confusing way. We don't pay too much attention to all these scientific definitions. We can take a look in here into this book. Now, the preview doesn't look as good as the paperback, so don't worry. It will not be that stretched if you buy the paperback. But you can see here the table of content, its introduction. Then we're talking about what algorithms are, what data structures are, what runtime complexity is. There's a lot of mathematics in here in analyzing algorithms. I'm not sure if it's not in the preview. You cannot see it in the preview here. But you can see then sorting algorithms, graph theory, data structures, self-balancing trees, and hashing in the end. These are the topics, and they're covered in a very simple way. So if you're interested in supplementing the tutorial series, the free tutorial series, with a structured and well thought through book. You can buy this book for $9.99 as a paperback or $4.99 as a Kindle ebook, which is #1 new release. I'm very happy about that, on Amazon. And in order to get to that page, you just have to click on the description down below in the link, either directly the hyper URL link that you can find down below, or you can go to neural9.com/books, click on this one, and you'll get to the Amazon page. If you're interested, as I said, you don't need to buy it. You can also watch the videos for free without reading this book. But if you want to double down on the knowledge, if you want to really understand it, if you want to have a book by your side while you're watching the videos, you can buy it if you want. It's very affordable compared to all the other algorithm books, and it's also short and you can learn it quickly. So before this gets too salesy with buy my book and so on, I want to quit this video. Just wanted to tell you because a lot of you were asking. So if you want to have it, you can now buy it on Amazon. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next tutorials, and bye.